Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic from cryptography and network security. So our topic is stream cipher and block cipher. So in this video we will understand what the stream cipher is, what a block cipher, how both work, what are the different real life use cases of block cipher and stream cipher, and the differences between stream cipher and block cipher. So this topic is not only important for the examinations but also for understanding how secure communications work in real life. So let's begin by first understanding what a cipher is. So basically cipher is an encryption technique that converts the plain text, which is readable data, into a ciphertext, which is unreadable data. This conversion ensures that the sensitive information remains secure and cannot be understood by the unauthorized users. So, based on how encryption is performed, the ciphers are mainly classified into stream ciphers and block cipher. So, let us first understand stream cipher. So a stream cipher is an encryption technique in which data is encrypted one bit or one byte at a time. It basically uses a key stream which is combined with the plain text to generate the cipher text. Because the encryption happens continuously, the stream ciphers are known for their high speed and efficiency. So, in simple word, we can say a stream cipher encrypts data continuously, either bit by bit or byte by byte. So, to understand this better, think about a phone call. So, when you speak, your voice is transmitted continuously in the real time. In a similar way, the stream ciphers encrypt data continuously as it flows. So there is no need to wait for the entire message before the encryption starts. Now let us understand how a stream cipher works. So in a stream cipher, the plain text bits are taken one by one, and at the same time a key stream is generated. Each plain text bit is combined with the corresponding key stream bit to produce the ciphertext instantly. So here the encryption and transmission happen simultaneously, which makes stream ciphers ideal for the real-time communication. So stream ciphers are commonly used in various applications such as the online voice calls, video conferencing, live streaming, uh, the wireless communications like GSM communications. Uh, Earlier, the RC4 algorithm, which is a stream cipher, was used in the SSL and the TLS protocols. So stream ciphers have very several advantages. They are very fast, requires very less memory, and are suitable for the real-time applications. However, they also have some limitations. So if the same key stream is reused, the security can be compromised, and which makes proper key management is extremely important. Now let's move on the block cipher. So a block cipher encrypts data in a fixed size block such as 64 bits or 128 bits, and each block is encrypted using the same secret key. So unlike the stream ciphers, block ciphers focus more on security rather than speed. To understand block cipher easily, imagine packaging items into a boxes of the fixed sizes and locking each box separately. Similarly, block ciphers divide data into a fixed size blocks and encrypt each block one by one. Now let us now understand the working of block cipher. So first the plain text is divided into a fixed size block. Each block is then encrypted using a secret key to produce the cipher blocks. And during decryption, each block is decrypted separately using the same key. This method provides strong encryption and the high security. Block ciphers are widely used in file encryption, banking systems such as the ATM transactions and online payments, database security, and disk encryption tools like BitLocker and FileVault. So block ciphers offers a very high security and a strong encryption. However, they are slower as compared to the stream ciphers, and it requires padding and use the more memory. Now let us quickly compare stream cipher and block cipher. So stream ciphers encrypt data bit by bit and are very fast, making them suitable for the real-time communication such as the voice and the video calls, while block ciphers encrypt data in a fixed size block and are more suitable for a secure storage and the financial transaction. RC4 is example of stream cipher, while AES, DES, triple DES are the example of the block cipher. So this is the question that which one is the better? So the answer depends on the applications. The stream cipher are best for the real-time data transmission, while the block ciphers are preferred for the applications that require a higher security. So in modern systems, AES, which is a block cipher, is used very extensively. From exam point of view, you should remember the definition of stream cipher and block cipher, their differences, examples such as the RC4 and DES, and their real life applications. To conclude, stream ciphers encrypt data continuously while block ciphers encrypt data in fixed size block. Both play a very important role in a cryptography and secure communication. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you would like more videos on cryptography topics such as the AES or RSA. Thanks for the watching.